How to check your Costco Citi card application status. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can check Costco Citi card application status. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that you have to open up a browser in your device. Head over to search bar at the top. There type in citi.com, or you could search for Citi application status. So make sure that you search for Citi application status. Head over to the first link from your search results that says check your application status. So you'll land on this kind of interface. Scroll down a bit. To check your status, you have to provide your application ID and your zip code. Or you could also use your phone number, zip code and date of birth. For that you have to select the second option. Provide your phone number, zip code, date of birth, then tap on checks your status. Then you will see if it is approved, pending or declined. So from here you could simply check your application status, or you could also make a call. If you don't want to go online, you could call a number for your Costco personal card and then give them your application ID and zip code, then they will tell your status instantly. So that's the way to check your Costco Citi card application status, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.